Okay? So without any further ado, let's get on to Amaziyah the Great. He's going to do a little short thing for us. Give him a hand.
Thank you very much. So yesterday was officially my first visit to Fort Lauderdale. I want to say maximum respect to the event organizers, Martin International, the whole IRAWMA team, Richie and St. Master Jackson, part of the poetry, maximum respect. This one I'm going to drop real quick is a poem from my book, Don't Cry. It's available on Amazon by Craig A. Kirkley. There's absolutely nothing wrong in you asking the wrong questions. What makes it correct is when you've been provided with the right answers. Nothing wrong in you making mistakes. In this case, what makes it great is when you learn from your errors and elevate. Penetrate and meditate on the great things you desire to achieve in life. Separate yourself from people who want to see you thrive. Realize life is no bed of roses or a smooth pathway. There are earnest to overcome their bitterness on harsh days. There will be moments of sadness and grief, and there will be moments of happiness. Make you feel like you want to laugh all day. During your first heartbreak, you probably yelled at yourself in the mirror, I can't take this no more. No joking. Perhaps you'll be smoking or consuming alcoholic substances like you've never done before. It's like your entire world keeps crumbling while you're grumbling. Why have you done this to me? Nothing wrong in crying, expressing emotions. No need for fightings or commotions. We were educated poorly about love. Ignorance is like an addiction and will mess you up like drugs. What makes it wrong is when you allow your negative thoughts to become your actions. So think first and allow time to heal you. Nothing wrong if you fail at first. It's all a part of the game. I'm not saying you're the worst. As long as you don't give up, try harder again. Sure, you will prevail. With persistence, my friends, winning is a must. I am Amaziyah the Great. IRAWMA. In God I put my trust. Thank you very much. Look out and check my book out, Don't Cry, available on Amazon. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. And tomorrow, it's another immense moment in time as we, the poets and other creatives, perform at the 41st IRAWMA Awards. A pleasure being here. Thank you very much.